Hi everybody! Guess what came in the mail? My Marvel Collected Corpse box. I've never ordered one of these before, but it's Civil War, so I kind of need it. But look at it. It's so cool. And it's pretty big. I mean, look at that. Dude, look at this. So excited. And I don't know if I would do more of these or not. I guess it would depend. Ooh. So the first things we have is a badge. Please forgive me, I can't remember what his name is right now. No, my God, the other one is Black Panther. Yes. Yes. But, yeah, let's move right on along. I know this box is so big, so I can't really sit it in my lap. Let's get out this Funko Pop first. It is... Woo! It's both Captain America and Iron Man. Probably gonna leave him in the box. And he's all metallic, too. Anything special about Cap? Nothing specifically. He kind of still looks like my, my Age of Ultron one that I have. So nothing too different about him. And then, oh, look at this little Iron Man. These adorbs. I've never had one of these. Pretty damn cute. And then we have this little comic. God, the art is adorable. And then I have a Civil War lanyard. Maybe I can get away with using this for my new lanyard for my new job. Because the lanyard for that looks really fucking stupid. Like, it's like one of those, like, those fake pearl, like, kids' necklaces. That's what it looks like. And the last thing we have is a shirt. Struggle is real. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I got this in a men's large because I like really big shirts. I think they're very comfortable. The inside of the box art. Oh my God. I really like the box. I might have to repurpose this. Yeah, I'm gonna repurpose this box so I can keep it forever. But it's pretty damn cool. And then here's a little paper thing. Apparently next one is gonna be Woman of Power. So it's gonna be, well, they have Spider-Gwen on the box. So we'll see who else is actually in here. And what is going on? I guess they're following somebody? I don't know, my neighbors are weird. It just has little information about everything that's in here. Nothing entirely too exciting, I don't think. Okay, I'm done looking at it. In case anyone was curious anyway of what side I am on. Team Cap, guys, all the way. Sorry, not sorry whatsoever. Love Captain America. I wish there was more Captain America stuff in here, actually. I feel like there's definitely... Like, why wasn't this Cap? Why is it Iron Man? Not like I'm not gonna appreciate him. I love him. But, like, why wasn't it Cap? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Sorry. So yeah. I don't know. I might subscribe to the next box. I might not. I'm not sure. put this up here. Do they fit anywhere? Boom. There we go. In case you guys didn't know, I put pins in the roof of my car. Because why not? Here, let me show you guys. Ta-da! And then there's my new one. I just put up right there. Sorry guys, I know the angle's probably really weird. Hope I didn't make anybody sick doing that. So, and my tripod setup is really funny. It is cables to, like, if your battery dies, and a box of granola bars. I'm crafty. So yeah, that's everything for this box. And probably for this video, because I'm probably just going to ramble about things. But yeah. Okay, I'm going to close that later. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys have a nice day.